everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about Math 12 Trigonometry Part 19. Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19 are in one unit. Please make sure you watch 16 to 18 before you proceed. Okay, in this video, we talk about how to solve quadratic trigonometry equations, which is the most hard part of solving trigonometry equations. Okay, so this is require factoring skills, and then we usually getting multiple solutions, and also you need to learn how to simplify, and then use unit circles, conversions, all kind of things. I will show you in the examples. Okay, so number one, 3 tangent square theta equal to 3. First things first, we divide 3 to the other side. Tangent square x just equal to 1. So tangent x square root both sides will be equal to positive negative 1. Okay, so tangent x equal to positive 1 and the tangent x equal to negative 1. Let's solve this. Okay, by Alex's request, we put this unit circle here so we can check it out. Okay, so tangent equal to sine over cosine. Tangent x equal to 1, that means the sine and the cosine are the same. So in the first quadrant and the third quadrant, sine, cosine are exactly the same. So even the sine are the same. So pi over 4 and then 5 pi over 4 is the solution of tangent x equal to positive 1. So the x equal to pi over 4 and the x equal to 5 pi over 4 for the positive one. What about the negative one? Negative one will be the other second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So which is 3 pi over 4 and then 7 pi over 4. And that's it. So we're going to have 4 equations, 4 solutions. Make sense? This one is pretty simple. Next one. Okay, next one is a little bit hard. First things, we got 4, 2, 2, we factor 2 out. And then this become 2 cosine square x plus cosine x minus 1 equal to 0. We can remove the 2 to the other side and it still becomes 0, so 2 is useless. Alright, so we can doing a substitution here. We're just making cosine x equal to a letter we want, for example, a. So 2a squared plus a minus 1 equal to 0. We're trying to solve the quadratic equations. So if you don't know how to do that, please refer my grade 10 videos. I have a big part of tutorials to talk about how to factor quadratic equations. In here, I'm just going to do it. Looking for 2 number multiple equal to this, 2 number multiple equal to this. So and then we just negative 1 here. So we got a plus 1 equal to 0 and then 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So a plus 1 equal to 0 and then 2a minus 1 equal to 0 and then a equal to negative 1 and then a equal to positive 1/2. Okay, what is a? A is a cosine x. So cosine x equal to negative 1. So we got only 1 here, which is pi. So the x equal to pi is one of the solutions. And then a equal to 1/2, which is cosine x equal to 1/2. 1/2 is in here. And then if we draw the line here, you will find out this is pi over 3 and then 5 pi over 3. So x equal to 5 pi over 3 and then 5 pi over 3. Done. Because we don't doing the general equations and then these 3 solutions is sufficient enough. Okay, the next one. 4 sine square x minus 1 equal to 0, minus 3 equal to 0. So again, trying to isolate sine x. So the sine x square going to equal to 3 over 4, right? I move 3 to the other side and then divide by 4. And then we square root both sides. So the sine x going to equal to positive negative square root 3 over 2. Right? Square root 3, just square root 3, square root 4 just equal to 2. So we're looking for sine x equal to positive square root 3 over 2, sine x equal to negative square root 3 over 2. Okay, looking for the unit circle, square root 3 over 2 on the second value here, so which is here, which is 2 pi over 3, and then pi over 3. So the x equal to pi over 3, x equal to 2 pi over 3, which is gave us the positive square root 3 over 2. The negative square root 3 over 2, which is the bottom part, which is the 4 pi over 3, and then 5 pi over 3 here. So x equal to 4 pi over 3, and then x equal to 5 pi over 3. And we're done. That is our solutions. Okay, normally the quadratic trigonometry solutions has more than one or more than two solutions. The last one is a little bit tricky. We have a cube here, but don't worry. We have a cube second and the first. We can always factor the cosine x out. So we factor cosine x out. Cosine x going to equal to times 2 cosine x square plus cosine x, and then minus 1 equal to 0. So we have this term equal to 0, or this term equal to 0. So this term equal to 0, let's change different color pen here. So cosine x equal to 0, or this thing equal to 0. So how do we do this one? Again, it is pretty much same here, same to this one. So we just a plus 1 equal to 0, and then 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so I jump the steps. So make sure this question and this question are exactly the same. I just jump a step here. So we got the same way of factoring. So we got a plus 1 equal to 0 and 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So we got a cosine x equal to negative 1, and then cosine x equal to 1/2. So these two will give exactly answer here, which is x equal to pi, x equal to pi over 3, x equal to 5 pi over 3, and then the last one, cosine x equal to 0. So cosine x equal to 0, we got two solutions here. So x equal to 0, which is pi over 2, or 3 pi over 2. So x equal to pi over 2, and x equal to 3 pi over 2. So we totally have 5 solutions. Let me circle this. So we got a 1 solution here, 2 solution here. So these 2 solutions come from the cosine x equal to 0, and then the 3, 4, and 5. These 3 solutions come from this whole part, and then x equal to pi come from the cosine x equal to negative 1, and then cosine x equal to half gave these 2 solutions. So we got 5 solutions for these equations. Make sense? Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will answer your question in my next videos. If you like, please subscribe. It's a big help for me. Thank you for watching.